So hey guys, it's Iron Milks here, and I have been trying to get a video to you guys for a very long time, and I've just found that life has kind of got in the way recently, but I'm trying to break through that, and most recently I finally bought some Nanoleafs. We recently got some discount codes from our community Royalty RGB. If you are looking to pick up some of the Nanoleafs, you can get 10% off these now using the code Royalty10, and that will get 10% off. Now this was the pack that I got for my setup, which is the starter pack in the UK, which is 4 lights as well as the basic connector pack, and it does also have the music mode adapter, which doesn't always come with some of the sets. So there we go. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing straight on from this video, but those guys that know me know I have a very small setup. It is actually right behind me here in the corner, and I have added the Nanoleafs up there above the monitor, and you would have probably seen that in some of my recent picture posts. They are super bright. I mean, they can almost be used as a key light when you're streaming because they are incredibly bright when you put these up to 100%. I was really impressed with the quality and just the general packaging, build quality, brightness, loads of kind of default colors straight off the bat from the app. You can connect these also to the Elgato Stream Deck and control it from there, and I believe you can also connect it to Alexa using your voice. Now I know the Nanoleafs are not new, they have been out for a very long time. You see them on most Instagram posts and setups. I can finally see why that is. The quality is so good, the lights are amazing, the colors are really vivid, yeah, they aren't the cheapest of lights out there, but you kind of do get a sense that you do get what you pay for with these. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to do a very quick, simple unboxing today. We filmed this a couple of days ago in our kitchen because this room is just not big enough and it's very messy at the moment. I'm trying to make this more of a kind of a filming gaming room, but it's proving extremely difficult with all the kids stuff around me. You do not want to see what's beyond this camera at the other end of the table. It's all the school stuff. So yeah, watch the unboxing. For those of you curious, on the fence of maybe getting some Nanoleafs, maybe this will just tip you over the edge. I am well overdue getting these, and I have been very impressed on the first couple of days. So there we go. Peace.